If you look at this is yesterday chart on 25th. So this yesterday actually market opened with an bullish momentum, and most of the time it is actually trading between the monthly high and monthly low. And we know that if the current market is above daily, weekly, and monthly, and then definitely the bullish momentum will continue. So that is what our understanding. And let's look at today how the market opened and what happened after that, right? So this is an last candles. So I'm just playing it so that we will have a better idea on this. So this today market opened here. It didn't actually. It is within this level, and this is the daily levels. See, it's basically this is within the same week. So weekly levels and monthly levels won't change. So I'm playing this to get in a kind of like, okay, so how the daily levels get changed. Now, if this momentum continues, this is the first candle, and if the trade goes above this, then we should be able to see some good upside momentum, right? If not, then again it comes down and it will be within this, and if it breaks, then we should be able to see some a little downside momentum, right? Let me play this so that we will have a better understanding, right? So we try to test this level and we see some reversal there, and because of this resistance on two levels, so basically a monthly level and then a daily high level, so we see a downside momentum. uh, Continue with this and see this. It's actually has come down because this is a monthly low, right? So this is also, yesterday also it tested here and then actually took off to upside, right? So I'll play a bit fast so that we don't need to talk about each candle here. So you see this, the most of the time it's going to be in between these two levels. So when it tests, so you expect a bounce from here to towards this, or once this break, you can expect in a little downside momentum here, right? So to take a trade, if it is towards the downside, but definitely there are two levels, definitely there will be strong support, right? We can expect a reversal here. But if you are looking at taking in a trade towards the PE, wait for the confirmation. Don't worry if there is a big candle, that is okay, not to take a trade. But if there is a small candle here, again one more candle. So wait for a two back-to-back candles because I'm playing in the 5 minutes time frame, and then you take an a PE with a stop loss of this level, right? If you are confident because this is going to act as a strong support, you can actually take a risk of maybe 5 points down towards downside and take a CE side, right? Let's look at this. So you see some reversal here, and it's again and again trying to break this, but it's both are acting as a strong support here. See, if you look at from here, right, this level is 148 and we had seen 234. So close to around 70 points up confidently, right? And okay, so someone actually can question me, oh, okay, there is a red candle. So then how can you count like 70 points, right? But you are actually, when you take a trade, definitely when you are in a profit, you are going to trail the stop loss, right? So that's how I trade, and that's how I expect any small trader to take a trade, right? So if you look at this, so this is the trading. So it opened here in this level, and entire day again this is within this one. So positive opening, but end of the day, so there is around like 27 points negative from yesterday close. But most of the time, the trade is between these levels. Tomorrow, in case if this momentum opens up here, wait for this level. This is a weekly important level and you can bounce it back. Or if this breaks, then you can see this one, right? For example, quickly, if we see what happened on uh, 2 weeks levels, are there anything coinciding here and 2 days levels, right? So let's put this one. So this is today's, this is yesterday. Definitely this is going to give a good support here. All right. So be careful in terms of like tomorrow when you are taking a PE trade. In case if it opens somewhere here, there is a possible bond from here. Let's see how Bank Nifty performed here, right? If you see Bank Nifty, it opened on high. This is the today's levels. Entire day, the trading happened between these. So when there is a bounce, you can expect some upside momentum. But So most of the time, market is in a flat, right? Or you can look at any stock. For example, okay. So there is one more interesting thing is on the gold. Gold, today we are talking about this opened up here from 75,430, and then you see this one, it took a support here, right? This is the daily level. It took a support here, and once it break, it came all the way to low of the day. From here, now, now you see that this is actually crossing the low of the day, and you can expect some good upside momentum if sustains above, right? Uh, This is on silver. Same thing. It took a support, exact support here on the low, and then it took off and currently trading above this low of the week, right?